Why is it spicy?
So this drawer is where I keep most of my press-on nail supplies. So at the front I've got all of my cuticle sticks, nail glues and nail files, which all go into every prep kit for every set. Then behind that I've got a load of prep wipes, which also go into every prep kit, and a sweep which goes into every order. I've got a tape measure for measuring nail tips, some holographic bags which I obviously put the nails in, and then some little clear plastic bags which I put spare nails in. Behind that I've got some mesh bags for all the packaging.
Today we did an order from Canada, and this was a black and pink heart bands that were custom ordered. So I just packaged them up, and yeah.
Hey guys, as some of you know, I haven't posted in a video in a while, but I am back and I'm trying. So I am pregnant, and sometimes the smell of monomer just makes you want to puke, just like everything else in the house. But I'm working on it, and I decided I felt good today to make a video. So I don't really have like a lavendery color, so I wanted to make one, and it actually did not come out how I wanted it to. I don't know if these two acrylics just don't mix well together or what, but it still came out pretty cute. So I went ahead and put it on the nail, which it came out to be more of like a white marbly purple, you could say, lavendery. So when I put it on the nail, it looked good, but it looked too white, so I decided to make it a marble theme. So I grabbed some more of the purple and kind of just made it a little extra watery and put it all over the nail like so. And then afterwards I put my decals on it to make it a little extra sparkle and put a top coat on it. It looks super cute. Thanks.
Welcome to part 2 of my day. It was a super long day, so I had to be put into 2 different videos, but I went to the post office. So many keychain stickers and books are going out today, and then I got back to the studio to see my family was working on orders. So many orders are going out tonight. Then my sister and my nephew came, so I got to see them. My family is filling up orders. I'm in the other room working on custom sticker sheets. As you can see, that table is completely empty, which means those orders are completely full and ready to be shipped tomorrow, the next day, and the next day, because these take a long time to ship. Black Lives Matter stickers in, and it'll be going out in the next 2 days. Then I tried this little cake thing, and it was kind of questionable, but it's fine. I think I'm gonna go to bed early, so I'll see you tomorrow.
So somehow yesterday you guys managed to make 50 more orders before the site closed, so wow, thank you. It is closed just for about a week to 2 weeks, just so I can catch up with any orders and make sure that there's going to be no massive delays or anything like that with anybody who's ordering now. Once I know a date for sure, I will let people know, so don't worry about that. I will vocalize it as soon as I know a good date that I know I can stick to. So thank you again, and everything will be back on the website soon. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.
Hey guys, let's pack an order. First thing I always do is lint roll the shirts and make sure they're extra clean. This customer is getting our mushroom tea and our strawberry moon phases tea, 2 of our best sellers. I just add a little note card and a sticker, and then I put it in our recycled clear sleeves that just help protect the shirts while they are in the mail. And then I put this in our new eco-enclosed poly mailer, which is recycled, recyclable, and reusable, and I'll make a video on that another day. And then I just add a little sticker, and this one's going to Connecticut.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how I make my attorney
lip gloss. So we're going to need the same materials as last time, just a few more oils and the pigment. So now I'm just pouring in the different oils that I use. On a side note, I want to thank you guys so much for 143k followers and for basically selling out my lip gloss on my website. I'm so thankful. It's not sold out, obviously, because I'm making more as I go. So they'll never be sold out on my website. So I'm literally making each color every day. So I'll be showing you guys how to make each color. So I'm just pouring in all the oils. And that's the pigment color that I use. It looks like a lot, but it's not that much. With liquid pigments, you have to use more so the color will actually take. And then this is it. After I've mixed it, I'm now checking the consistency and the color. It's exactly how I want it. And then I fill the tubes.
Idea. My family would always bring back an ingredient called pinole that is popular as a drink because we could not find it anywhere here in the United States. A lot of runners in the US were looking for it because of the book Born to Run. It was also hard to find stone ground tortillas like the ones from Mexico. I wanted to keep the traditional food recipes alive in a healthy way that made people remember the flavors from home that they couldn't get here. I told my professor about the idea and she introduced me to another student who would be able to help share my story. That's when our business, Pinole Blue, was born. We entered our university startup competition and took first place. Now we make drink mixes, cookies, and tortillas all from organic blue corn. Each order is packed with a sticker and a handwritten note. We are one of the only organic blue corn tortilla factories and one of the only organic blue corn pinole manufacturers in the United States. We only use simple ingredients, so our tortillas have to be shipped frozen because they have no preservatives.
Hey guys, it's Aurora from West Main, and I got a request from Lily to pack her order on video, so here it is. She ordered a pair of our daily leggings, so here they are. Someone asked if they were see-through, and here I am showing that they're not see-through. They're also extremely soft, and I know you guys will fall in love, so definitely check them out. Then, of course, I add a hang tag and wrap it in tissue paper, and of course, add a sticker. Then I'm adding extra goodies to her order, and writing a thank you card for her. I then grab one of my mailer bags and put it in, but I'm super torn between these two designs. Let me know which one I should go with.
Hi, my name's Maisie and I am trying so hard to start up a small business. My business is called Remade by Maisie because I remake and upcycle clothing, like I'm doing with this bucket hat. As you can see, I'm using bleach to paint it in a design with lots of flowers and leaves. This did take quite a while, but it was so fun to do. This is my first post as a small business and I'm really looking forward to what the future holds. I would really appreciate any advice from other small businesses or people in the same position as me. I want to be able to share my creativity and get my designs known across the world. If you're still here, thank you for watching. This will be available to buy. I'm still setting up a Depop and an Instagram, but DM me and I'll let you know where you can have it. Thank you!
2, 3, 4 corporations don't care about your feelings. Stop pretending like they're fun on Twitter. Corporations don't care about your feelings. You are not immune to propaganda.
I have my own business check. This is my most popular product. This is my favorite product. This is one of my most expensive products. This is my most affordable product.
We just got an order. We just got an order. We just got an order. It will be in the mail soon.
I know everyone likes to include handwritten notes in their orders, but my Cricut does it for me. I come up with the design in Design Space. I change the material to paper. I load up the Cricut marker and close her up and
hit go and allow the Cricut to do it for me. And while it's doing that, I am packing up the box. And once it's done, I have a neatly handwritten note.